The winter session of Parliament will be held from the 11th of December to the 8th of January. This would be the last full-fledged Parliament session of the Narendra Modi-led government before the next Lok Sabha polls. The result of the assembly elections, in which both the ruling BJP and the Congress have high stakes, is bound to cast a shadow on parliamentary proceedings. The result of polls in Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Telangana and Mizoram would be out on 11th of December. Ruchi joins in with more details on this. Ruchi?
The winter session of the Parliament will start from December 11th to January 8th. This is going to be the penultimate session of the Parliament right ahead of the 2019 Lok Sabha polls. And it is interesting that the session is starting at a time, starting on the day when we will also see polling results coming in from the 5 states of Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Telangana as well as Mizoram. Interestingly so, the session really will be guided in a big way as per this high stakes battle that we will see in these 5 states between the BJP and the Congress. Also remember, the Congress so far has upped its ante on the Rafale deal, so you can expect certain fireworks with respect to the Rafale deal, given the fact that the Congress is already seeking a joint parliamentary probe into the matter, as well as the Supreme Court case that is already underway. So that will also see some sort of an action in this winter session of the Parliament. As far as the bills are concerned, it is important to note that the ordinance that the government has passed, which gives equal rights and benefits to Muslim women by abolishing the practice of triple talaq, the triple talaq bill ordinance will also be coming up in the winter session of the Parliament. It has already been given a go-ahead from the Lok Sabha, so it will see the light of the day this time around in the Rajya Sabha. Apart from that, the bill to disband the Medical Council of India, that ordinance will be coming up, and also the ordinance with respect to changes in the Companies Act. So an interesting session that is lined up. The government, of course, is hoping that they see the kind of success that they saw in the monsoon session of the Parliament, but needs to be seen that how the results in the with respect to the assembly elections really pan out, and that will really guide the way forward in this winter session of the Parliament.